Today we're diving into the features of the Lifezone Queen Bed Frame with 2-tier storage headboard, a marvel of modern design and functionality. This bed frame is not only a stylish addition to your bedroom with its vintage brown finish, but it also offers a built-in charging station on the headboard, featuring 2 AC outlets, a USB port, and a Type-C port, ensuring your devices are always powered up and within reach. The headboard also includes a 2-tier storage shelf, perfect for keeping your essentials like magazines, phones, and alarm clocks neatly organized. Adding to its modern appeal, the bed frame is equipped with an RGB LED light belt, which can be customized using a remote control or mobile app to set the color, brightness, and mode, enhancing your room's ambiance to suit any mood or occasion. Practicality is at the forefront with 4 sliding storage drawers that provide ample space for your seasonal clothes and belongings, complete with screw clips to keep them securely in place. Designed for a peaceful night's sleep, the noise-free design incorporates a mute sponge bar to eliminate squeaks, while the all-metal support system, featuring 11 metal rods and 9 sturdy legs, ensures a robust structure capable of supporting up to 800 pounds. Experience the perfect blend of style, convenience, and durability with the Lifezone Queen Bed Frame, and transform your bedroom into a haven of comfort and innovation.